Hello everyone, I am Vipul, currently working as Equity Research Intern at inSAKE Solution, and I am from Indore. I am very happy to be part of this internship because I am learning a lot and implementing what I am learning every day. Today I want to give a presentation on the topic Financial Modeling for Project Valuation. So, financial modeling for project valuation is a critical process used to assess the financial feasibility and profitability of a project. By constructing a mathematical representation of project's financial performance, decision makers can make informed choices about investing in the project and evaluate its long-term viability. Financial models incorporate revenue projection, cost analysis, cash flow forecasting, sensitivity analysis, and discounted cash flow analysis to provide comprehensive understanding of project's potential. It enables the stakeholders to access, write, optimize returns, and communicate effectively with investors. Ultimately, financial modeling is a valuable tool for evaluating investment opportunities and ensuring sound decision making for successful project valuation. Thank you.